Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable Google Assistant on any Android. So for the first, open Google. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. So let's get started. Click on to profile option and then showing here to settings. Click on to Google Assistant. Click on to enable option, then showing here to this option, scroll down, click on I agree, scroll down and then click on I agree, and you need to just say this: hey Google, help me write a thank you note. First option done, and the second option, now say hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? And the third, now say okay Google, explain how a rainbow is forward. And the last option, now say okay Google, set a time for 5 minutes. Okay, set up all process and then click on to next. Click on I agree. Okay, now done. Now successfully enable Google Assistant on any Android. So that's it. That's how you can do it.